Are you looking to streamline your practice with a professional and compliant healthcare appointment booking system? I'm going to show you exactly how to set one up in under 15 minutes using Trafft. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a complete online booking system tailored for a medical or wellness clinic, including consultations, practitioner schedules, detailed patient intake forms, and integrated payments. By the end, you'll have a fully functional 24/7 patient booking system. Let's start with the foundation. First, you'll need to sign up for Trafft. Head over to the Trafft website and click on the Sign Up button. You can use your email or sign up with Google. Select your industry, fill in the fields, and confirm your sign up. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. We'll be focusing on the key areas in the left sidebar: services, employees, your practitioners, locations, your clinic address, and settings. Let's first establish our default clinic settings. Click Settings at the very bottom of the left menu, then navigate to General. The default time slot step is something you should pay close attention to. It sets the base interval for all available booking times. For example, if you set it to 30 minutes, customers can only select appointments starting at times like 9, 9:30, or 10s, regardless of the service length. Both service durations and buffer times must be divisible by this step to prevent scheduling conflicts. I'm going to set the default time slot step to 10 min, and you'll soon see why. Next, we need to define how the system handles bookings automatically. Look at the default appointment status. For most practices, you'll want this set to Approved. This means as soon as a patient completes their booking and payment, if required, the appointment is instantly confirmed and blocked off on your calendar. This saves you the time of manually approving every consultation. Below that, we have controls for patient autonomy and practice protection, minimum time required before booking. This setting prevents last-minute appointments. If you set it to 1 hour, a patient won't be able to book a session that starts sooner than 1 hour from their current time. This gives your practitioner time to prepare for the patient. I recommend setting this to 2 hours. Minimum time required before canceling and rescheduling. These are crucial for minimizing financial loss from no-shows. For a healthcare practice, I recommend setting both to 24 hours. This ensures patients can't cancel or move their appointment without penalty right before it begins, giving you a chance to fill the slot. The number of days available for booking in advance. This controls how far into the future patients can schedule. You may want to restrict this to match your clinic's billing cycle or planning needs. It's currently set to 100 days, which I'll leave as a good default, but you can adjust it if you prefer to plan only a month or 2 out. Finally, check your global settings to ensure your entire system operates correctly based on your location, date format, and time format. Make sure these match the standard format used by your patients. I recommend leaving them set to the standard defaults here. Time zone. This is vital. Ensure your time zone is correct. It's currently set to Belgrade, but I'll change it to match our clinic's local time zone so all appointments are scheduled accurately. First day of the week. This simply dictates how your calendar views start. Most systems default to Monday, which is perfect for our clinic schedule. Finally, let's add our clinic address. Click Locations on the main left menu and then Add Location. Enter your clinic name, the full address, and the main phone number. Your services are the core of your healthcare appointment booking system. As you can see, Trafft creates some dummy services upon sign-up. For this tutorial, I'm going to delete these and start from scratch, but you can also choose to edit them if you want. Let's create a couple of common consultations. I'll name the first service Initial Wellness Consultation. I'll upload a photo to illustrate this service. In the description field, I'll explain a detailed 30-minute session to review your health history and establish a personalized treatment plan. For duration, I'll click Duration and set it to 30 minutes. I'll set the price to $99. Let's now adjust the service settings. First, buffer time. This is absolutely essential for healthcare. I'll enable buffer time and set a 10-minute buffer after each appointment. This is crucial for practitioners to write up patient notes, sterilize the room, and transition calmly between patients. And this is exactly why we set the default time slot step to 10 minutes in the general settings. Because the buffer time must be divisible by the time slot step, setting the step to 10 minutes ensures that this 10-minute cleanup period fits perfectly into the scheduling grid without creating awkward gaps or rounding errors. It allows us to use all the specific time increments we need for precise scheduling. I'll quickly add a second service. Click on Services and add New Service. This one is Follow-Up Session. The duration will be 30 minutes and the price will be $50. Now let's add an extra for things like reviewing external lab work. Click on the Extras tab, click Add Extra. I'll call this External Lab Review and set the price to an extra $25. This is an optional add-on patients can select if they need a deeper review during their session. Let's now connect our services to our practitioners. Click on Employees in the left menu. I see our first employee, Jane Doe, already created. I'll rename her to Dr. Jane Smith. I'll upload a profile photo of Dr. Smith, maybe in a professional headshot. This builds patient confidence. Click Save and you now have your first employee created. You can also see the yellow banner message informing you that Dr. Smith is not yet connected to her services. To fix this, we simply need to toggle the switch on the right side next to Initial Wellness Consultation and Follow-Up Session. Enabling these toggles immediately links Dr. Smith to the services she provides, making her available on the booking website. Next, click on Working Hours. Dr. Smith works Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll disable Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. On Monday, Dr. Smith works 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but takes a lunch break from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I'll click plus add period and create 2 shifts, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. This ensures no one can book a patient during her protected lunch hour. I'll click apply to other days to set this same schedule for Wednesday and Friday. Now, we bring the look and feel of your Harmony Health Clinic to the public-facing booking page. Navigate to Booking Website in the left menu, and let's start with General Settings. Under General Settings, you can choose who is allowed to make a booking. The default and usually best option is both registered and guest customers. We'll keep this selected to allow anyone to book without needing to create an account first. Scroll down and fill in your page title. We'll use Harmony Health Clinic and the page description. This description is important for SEO, so use keywords like healthcare appointment booking and online consultation. You can upload your website logo and website favicon here to ensure consistent branding across your site and browser tabs. Click on Theme and Appearance. This is where we define the visual style. You have multiple pre-designed themes. To maintain a clean, professional medical feel, I'll select the light theme. Scroll down to the appearance settings. I'll select a calming, professional blue for the primary color. That color will be used for all buttons and accents on your booking page. You can also change the font to match your brand's typography. We'll leave it as the default Inter for simplicity. Now let's customize the booking experience itself by going into the booking form steps. Click on Booking Form Steps General. The top bar shows the standard booking process: service, location, employee, date and time. This logical flow works well for healthcare, so we'll leave the order as is. Employee selection. Click on Booking Form Steps. Employees. This controls how patients select their practitioner. We want patients to choose their doctor, so we'll keep Customer can choose an employee selected. I recommend checking Hide Any Employee option from selection. In a clinic, patients usually book with a specific doctor, and hiding the generic option ensures they are consciously choosing their provider. Remember, Trafft offers many more customization options, like customizing the hero section layout and text, or creating custom thank you pages. For the sake of this tutorial, we won't cover every detail, but you can find other dedicated tutorials on Trafft's channel for these advanced features. Now let's add custom fields to collect the information you need from patients. Under the Booking Form Steps section on the left, click Custom Fields and then select Appointment. This is crucial. If you use the Customer section, the intake notes won't appear on the booking record. Instead, this data will only be saved to the patient's general customer profile in your database. Click Add Custom Field and select Text Area. I'll label it Reason for Visit, Symptoms. I'll set its size to full width and make this field required. Next, I need to know how the patient heard about us. I'll click Add Custom Field and select Select Box. I'll label it How Did You Hear About Us? And add options like Google, Referral, and Social Media. This allows your healthcare appointment booking system to collect all the necessary intake information up front, saving time during the consultation. Let's now connect Trafft to your practice tools and secure bookings with payments. Go to Finance in the main left menu, then click Payments. We will set up Stripe by clicking Connect Account. Once connected, patients can pay with credit cards. For medical bookings, I recommend requiring at least a deposit to reduce no-shows, which is critical for maintaining a busy practice. Now for automation. Go to Features and Integrations on the main left menu. Find Google Calendar and click Enable, then Connect. You'll sign in with Dr. Smith's Clinic Google account and authorize the connection. This is the heart of your healthcare appointment booking system's efficiency. Click into the Google Calendar settings and look for the Users and Calendars section. Here you will see Dr. Smith's name and a drop-down menu. You must select the specific calendar, for example the one named Dr. Jane Smith, that Trafft will write appointments to. If you don't do this, nothing syncs. Every new patient booking instantly appears on Dr. Smith's Google Calendar. The entry includes all the patient details and blocks the time. Before we finalize the settings, we will make sure Dr. Smith's personal appointments block patient bookings. To do it, toggle on the Remove Google Calendar Busy Slots option. This tells Trafft to look at Dr. Smith's connected Google Calendar. If she blocks time for a staff meeting or personal day, Trafft reads that event and immediately makes her unavailable on the patient booking page. We also need to enable two other crucial settings for a smooth workflow. Include buffer time in Google Events. We set a 10-minute buffer for cleanup. Enabling this ensures the buffer is actually included in the time slot written to her Google Calendar. Google Meet integration. Toggle this on if you offer telehealth. It automatically creates and sends the video meeting link with every appointment. It's time to make your healthcare appointment booking system live. Click on Share Booking. Copy this URL. You can now add this link to your website's Book Now button. Share it in your email signature. Post it on your clinic's social media pages. The page is clean, professional, and fully responsive, allowing patients to easily book from their desktop or mobile phone. With all the complex setup complete and the calendar automation now fully locked in, the hard work is done. It's time for the final check. Before you launch this to the world, let's run an end-to-end test to ensure everything works perfectly and your clinic is officially ready for patients. You can also check the appointment section in Trafft. The booking should appear with the patient's full intake notes. And there you have it. You now have a complete, professional, and compliant healthcare appointment booking system for Harmony Health Clinic. Your patients can book their appointments 24/7, intake forms are completed up front, and everything syncs seamlessly with your practice calendar. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and for more videos like this, subscribe to the Trafft's channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.